Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make handmade things, easy method. Begin by choosing simple materials, set up a tidy workspace, and plan a small project. Measure twice and cut once, use basic tools safely, and break tasks into 15 to 30-minute steps. Practice one technique each session and keep a small kit ready for quick creativity. I'll walk you through a simple project from start to finish. I will explain which tools you really need and how to use them without getting overwhelmed. Pick versatile tools that suit multiple projects and keep them accessible. Focus on mastering one technique for 3 sessions before adding another, and always practice on scraps first. I will demonstrate quick tips for consistent results, like angle guides and simple jigs, so you can produce clean, repeatable pieces with confidence. I will help you finish projects so they look polished and intentional. Small touches like sanding, neat seams, and simple packaging transform handmade items into gifts or products people value. I will share easy staging tips for photos and a quick checklist for quality control before you wrap or list an item. These small steps increase perceived value and make your creations ready to share with friends or buyers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.